We're here at Marriott's Aruba Surf Club, and we're staying in a 2-bedroom garden view villa. Do you have one of these booked? Maybe you're considering a stay here in the near future? If you are, you're gonna want to stick around because I'm gonna take you on a walk through ours right after this. Okay, so when we first come in the entryway here of the 2-bedroom lock-off villa at Marriott's Aruba Surf Club here in Aruba. Well, just kind of a small entryway, but it actually also leads right into the kitchen. But you do have kind of just a small little shelf here. And in here is where you have the master bathroom. So because it is a lock-off and you have the living room out here, they do have the entryway into the bath from the main area and from the bedroom as well. But we'll walk in and take a look at that bathroom from the bedroom area. But then over here, you do have a pretty good full-size kitchen. Actually, kind of roomy, not too bad. You do also have, of course, a nice big refrigerator. But again, kind of with that bottom freezer, which I'm not really big on, but hey, it's already making ice. That is a good thing. We probably won't dump that out because a lot of times we might dump that out if there's ice already made, but we need ice. And then right beside the fridge, you do have a stacking washer and dryer. It does have your iron and ironing board inside here as well. And well, hey, there's a little Bissell dustpan and broom over here too. But yeah, in here you kind of have your starting coffee supplies, coffee maker, toaster, blender, tea kettle, oven, stove, range, microwave. And in here, well, look at that. So much going on in that cupboard. And then, well, here you have measuring cups, kind of a serving dish, nothing up above the microwave, but I'm sure you'll have your full set of glassware, dinnerware, all kinds of stuff in here. Enough for 6 people in this side of the unit. And then, yep, there's the glassware. Again, enough for 6. Coffee mugs, pitcher, some plastic cups, yeah, and some Rubbermaid containers. You do also have a knife block and a cutting board. And in the drawers here, well, there's your cutlery, your silverware. Then here you have a number of different cooking utensils. Here, some more. I always find it odd that they spread them out all so evenly. They have something in every drawer. I mean, you could have put those in there or those in there and just left one of these empty. Seems kind of silly to me, but it's what they tend to do. Look at that, you actually have some more kind of cooking utensils. If I was at home, these would all just be shoved and tossed in one single drawer, and I'd be sifting through to, find what I need. Let's take a look underneath here. I don't see anything under there at all. That's empty. And what do we got under here? Well, there's colander, baking, I guess some baking dishes, and there is a baking sheet down there as well. And then over here, well, this is where you find pots and pans. And well, there's the sink and a dishwasher too. So kind of a not too bad kitchen. It does have granite countertops. Then over here we have dining room table for 6 people and kind of 2 up here at the bar. So technically I guess you could maybe seat 8 in here. Then over here, we have a huge flat screen television. The only thing I'm not really sure about is kind of how it lines up with the living room. Let's actually walk over here because you have your sofa, you have a couple coffee tables, then some chairs here, a little kind of area rug that is set into the tile, but it's kind of offset from where the sofa is. The sofa does pull out into a queen size sleeper, but yeah, not sure about the angle. It's kind of between the dining room and the living room. Since we've now seen out here, let's go in here and take a look at the master bedroom. You do have a nice big king size bed in here. A couple of nightstands, some exposed power outlets at least, no USB, but do have a ceiling fan. So that's pretty cool. But then over here, just a small chest of drawers with a pretty tiny television on top. But we don't watch a lot of TV when we're in the units. Again, another nightstand over here, alarm clock, and that nice big bed. And we do have a balcony out there. We'll go and take a look at that in a little bit. In here you do have your closet, so some storage in here, some extra bedding, and the in-room safe as well. And down there, well, you have a laundry basket. Full-length mirror here too. And kind of walking into the bathroom, well, kind of have this separated little area. You have a sink out here, you have a tub out here, just a garden tub. Not much to it, no jets, just fill it up and have a good soak. And then moving in here, you do have kind of your master bathroom toilet there. You have a walk-in shower. Let's take a look in here. It's kind of small, not too big. Smells really strong of bleach. Some body wash, shampoo, and conditioner on the wall. Just kind of your standard shower. And then another vanity out here. So you had two vanities here, but they're kind of split. One for the shower and toilet room, and the other one out there that connects to the master bath. So now let's head back out here. We're gonna walk over to the other side here and take a look at the studio side of this villa. So the 2-bedroom lock-off is essentially a 1-bedroom and a studio with the lock-off door in between. The only drawback to these studio units is that they only have a queen-size bed. Really big disappointment. Probably a reason I would never book a studio unit here at the surf club on its own, even though we stayed in a studio unit that also had a queen-size bed at the Westin Laguna Mar. If you want to see that video, I'll put a link to it right up there in the upper right. But yeah, you have kind of your queen-size bed. Again, another nightstand with an alarm clock. This lamp though does have exposed USB and power. And in here, this little closet, which doesn't really open all the way because of the nightstand, you do have your in-room safe, some extra bedding. Again, another iron and ironing board, because if you're just staying here and it's locked off and you only have the studio, well, you need an iron and ironing board. Then over here, again, just another small chest of drawers, television, kind of a little dining area. So if you're just in this area, well, there's a little table there with a couple of chairs. And then over here, you have sofa. Maybe it pulls that into a queen or maybe a double or a full. And then over here, just another nightstand on the other side of the bed. Again, exposed USB and power. Does look like they have Blu-ray player in here. Not too sure if they had Blu-rays in all of the rooms. It actually looks like they do, kind of peeking back into the living room. So now the studio side, well, it has its own little kitchenette. So you have a little sink, plenty of towels. It's really good that they give you lots of towels in here. More coffee supplies, toaster, microwave. Let's see what's up above here. Well, that looks like it's empty, but I'm sure there's some silverware and dinnerware in here. Looks like just for 2 people. So between the 2 rooms, well, you have enough for 8, which is the max occupancy of the unit. And then down under here, you do have just trash, and you have some laundry detergent. And there also is a mini fridge with a little tiny freezer, no ice maker, no ice cube trays, but you know, maybe bring some of your own ice cube trays if you're just staying in a studio. A little bit of room in there for a few groceries and maybe some sodas or some beverages. So now let's head inside here, take a look at the bathroom on the studio unit. Right beside the entryway door, kind of just your standard bathroom. You do have a single vanity, nice big mirror, plenty of light in here, towels, toilet. The only thing I noticed about this toilet is it's extremely close to the wall. Not something we're too big on. We'll probably end up using the bathroom in the 1-bedroom side. Then over here, you do have kind of a good size bathtub with a shower. So again, those shampoo, body wash, conditioner on the wall, and then shower head up there. So now that we've seen the inside of the unit, we know you want to see the outside. So we'll take a look at the balcony here on the studio side first, and then we'll head over and look at the bigger balcony on the 1-bedroom side. So here is the studio side balcony. Now we're just on the 3rd floor in the Spyglass Tower, so not really a very good view here because, well, we have kind of the entryway right here in front of us. The ocean is way out there, which we can't see, but just a little kind of view out here. Not much going on that we can see at all. But what can you expect for an exchange that really didn't cost us a lot of money? But here you have 2 chairs and a pretty good sized table, so definitely liking that here. Don't see any electrical outlets out here, but you're in Aruba. You shouldn't be working, but if you are, well, you ain't find any electricity outside. But maybe there's something on the other side in the 1-bedroom. So let's open up this door here. And so out here, you have 4 chairs and a table. Same size table, just with an extra 2 chairs. And, well, a little bit better view from this balcony because we can see a little bit more of the pool area. Not too much. Might be a little bit noisy as low of a floor we're on with the pool right there. But you can get into it from the living room where I came from, or there's an entryway in there from the master bedroom. So pretty good sized balcony here. Again, no electrical outlets out here at all. So I really do hope you liked this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see another video from here at Marriott Aruba Surf Club, check out this one right here. Thanks for watching, and until next time, remember, the best destination is always a timeshare.